Hey guys, thank you for joining the Coding Night with my first introduction video on arrow menu in C programming. So what I'm gonna do right now is give you a overview of what we'll be covering in the next few videos. So let me just give you a graphical representation of what we're used to when it comes on to building menus in C. So first we'll need some options. And if you guys don't understand what is actually going on here, I am actually in a IDE. It's called Code Blocks. It's where I type code obviously. So let me just go ahead and create some options here. Let me just scan the input option, and it's gonna be an integer, and I'm working backwards here. Wow. And option, let me just initialize this to 0. Didn't have to, but I want to. So we have that here, and let me just go ahead and switch the value, and let me go ahead and tell the computer what to do if a particular value is selected. So I want you to print out to the console that you have selected option 1, right? Because that's case 1. And let me break out of that case once that is done, and then I want you to give me case 2, and let me go ahead and print. Why am I doing this? I should be copying. I'm so lazy. Option 2, and let me just go ahead and break out of this, and for the last one I'm gonna copy. Oh snap. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this to 3, change this to 3, and usually, or by default, we should have a default. Let me go ahead here and let me just add a default incorrect. What am I spelling here? Incorrect option or incorrect selection. I don't know what to write. So there we go, and this should run without any errors. So let me see here. Let me just put in 9, incorrect selection. Let me put in 3, you have selected option 3. And this is basically the logics for creating a menu in C. And as you can see, it's pretty boring. It's pretty boring. So what we're actually gonna do, we're trying to move away from that and make our programs a little more interesting. And by interesting, I mean something with a little more animations. No, that's not what this video is about. We will look at that though. What I'm actually talking about though is having the user feel or interact more with the computer, right? So instead of having to press 1 for the first option, why not just use the enter key to just select the first option? And that is what we can do here. What we can actually do is use the arrow keys on our keyboards to scroll down and scroll up. So if I should press the down key on my keyboard, you can see that the arrow actually goes down. If I press the up key on my keyboard, the arrow actually goes up. So that is what we will be working on. I'll be showing you guys how to create your function I'll be showing you guys. Actually, let me just pull up what we'll actually be covering to get these menu finished or completed. So we will need to look at functions. We will need to know a lot about strings, a lot about the different functions. So one important function for strings is string copy, and we'll be looking at that, important for this course. And we'll be looking at the get function, and we'll be looking at if statements as well. And as you can see, this is basically a run through of a menu that I have created already using the logics that we are about to work on. This is another one. As you can see, this one is similar to the one I just showed you, but instead of just scrolling on the side, the arrow actually pushes out the active option that is being selected. So as it scrolls down or up, it actually pushes the one that is actually on. So as you can see, it's on add/update record, so therefore it pushes that out so the user can easily see that that is the one that is being selected right now. So we'll be actually working on that. I'll show you how to create your own. You can upgrade, you can improve, and hopefully you'll have a better looking menu than the one that I have now. So let me just help you guys with downloading an IDE, because in the next video we're going to go straight into coding, and we're going to get straight into showing you guys what we'll need, the different parts of the functions that we're going to need to include, and I'm going to show you guys how it all works. So let me go ahead and show you now how you can get that IDE. So you simply go to Google, ask Google code blocks. Oh, I already typed it there, so I'm so lazy, so I'm just gonna click that. Alright, click the first option that comes up. Then we go to downloads, download the binary release. It's easier to deal with. Now you can see a list of the different operating systems. I'm running a Windows 10 right now. Not a Linux, not a Mac, so I'll stay in this region. And since I know that this option here comes with the compiler, I'll select here, right over there, sourceforge.net. That's it. So wow, this is taking longer than expected. Wow. Anyways, it finally came up. So download of CodeBlocks will start in 2 seconds. So it should pop up right here by now. Okay, there it is. And I already have it on my computer, so I'm not going to go ahead and download it again, but you get the gist. So you can just follow the instructions after it has finished downloading, and you open the file. It will tell you what to do, and you can install the software on your computer. And after installing the software on your computer, all you need to do is get some milk. I'm not sure what you guys drink or what you guys eat when you're coding, but you get some food, because we're gonna start coding. So thank you guys for watching my introduction on arrow menu in C. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you guys in my next video.